to apply it on her hair. Hey guys, good day, welcome back to my video. So guys, in today's video I am going to be treating my daughter hair for headache. This is normal water. I want to treat her hair with flaxseed gel. So this is the normal flaxseed that I'm going to be working with. All right, so as soon as you start seeing that slimy, you know that it's ready. All right, so at this point I need to reduce my gas. Are you seeing it? It has started slimy, so I need to reduce my gas to a low heat. So guys, I need to turn off my gas, so I'll leave it to cool down a bit before sieving it. I want to use it on my daughter hair, guys. Stay tuned. So I'll leave it to cool down. Time to sieve it. When the juice is not enough, I am going to boil it again. I need it more. I'll boil it again because my daughter's hair is a bit full. I don't think this will be enough, so it's better I boil it again. It was not enough, so I am going to reboil it again because the water that I add in was too small. So I want to reboil this one because we need more flaxseed gel. It's very slimy. I will reboil it. I'll add a bit of water. Are you seeing it? The flaxseed has started coming up. I'll leave it to boil. It's the one that I used before. Guys, do you see it? It's ready. It's time to sieve it now. So guys, this is it. I'm going to apply it on my daughter hair now. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm having this clove water at home, so I want to add a bit of the clove water to it. So stay tuned guys. In case if you don't have a clove water in the house, so you are free to skip it. It's optional, okay? So guys, this is it. It's time to apply it on my daughter hair now. Come with me guys. So guys, it's time to apply it on her hair. Stay tuned. Are you seeing the difference? Here is soft, here is hard because I